Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all fine and safe at home. Children, welcome back to Science e-learning class. Children, are you ready? Okay, let's begin our class. Children, in the previous class, we have revised lesson 4, solids, liquids and gases. Today, we are going to revise lesson 5, rocks and minerals. Children, many of the materials that we use every day are made from different kinds of rocks. Children, what are rocks made of? Rocks are made of minerals. Children, name the three types of rocks. Yes, depending on the way they are formed, rocks are grouped into three types: igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic rocks. The earth can be divided into three layers: crust, mantle, and core. What we see as soil and mountains is only the surface of the earth. It is called crust. Underlying the crust is the mantle and below that is the core. Children, how are igneous rocks formed? The earth's core is made of molten rock. This molten rock flows out from the earth's interior to the surface when a volcano erupts. This then cools and solidifies to form igneous rocks. Children, this molten rock, when it is inside the earth, it is called magma. When it flows out onto the surface, it is called lava. Almost 95% of the earth's crust is made up of igneous rocks. Examples of igneous rocks are granite, obsidian and pumice. Granite, it is very hot and is formed by the slow cooling of lava. It is used extensively as a building material. Then obsidian, it is a smooth and glassy and is formed by the quick cooling of lava. It is used in making jewelry and ornaments. Pumice, it is porous, means full of holes and is formed from the lava that is frothy. Frothy means full of bubbles with a lot of air in it. This pumice is the only rock that can float. It is used in making lightweight building materials such as concrete blocks. Children, why are sedimentary rocks formed in layers? Sedimentary rocks are formed due to deposition of rock particles that are worn away from mountains by wind and water. A repeated deposition presses down the lower layers and hardens them into rocks. Therefore, sedimentary rocks are formed in layers. Examples of sedimentary rocks are sandstone, conglomerate, shale and limestone. Sandstone, it is a soft stone. It's formed of sand particles deposited close together. Many of India's famous buildings such as Red Fort in Delhi and many places in Rajasthan are made of sandstone. Next, conglomerate. It has rounded stones such as pebbles and gravel cemented together into a mass. It is used in construction and is also polished to make ornaments. Next, shale. It is made of solidified clay and comes apart in the thin layers. It is used in making bricks and cement. Limestone. It is a rock with fine grains that are quite soft. It contains the mineral calcium and tiny bits of animal cells. It is used in making many things such as whitewash, paint and cement. Many sedimentary rocks have fossils in them because along with bits of rocks, animal and plant remains also get deposited during the rock formation. Children, how are metamorphic rocks formed? Metamorphic rocks are rocks that are formed because of physical and chemical changes in igneous, sedimentary or older metamorphic rocks. These changes happen because of heat and pressure. Most of them are originally sedimentary or igneous rocks. Tons and tons of pressure builds up heat inside igneous or sedimentary rocks, thus causing them to change into metamorphic rocks. Metamorphic rocks are hard and tough. Examples of metamorphic rocks are marble, slate, gneiss and quartzite. Marble. It is formed from the sedimentary rock limestone. It is used in making statues and for other ornamental purposes. Then it is quite popular as a material for flooring too. Then slate. It is formed from shale, a sedimentary rock. Like shale, it splits into flat layers. It is used to make bricks and cement. Gneiss. It is formed from granite, an igneous rock. It has different kinds of minerals in it. It is used as a building stone. Next, quartzite. It is formed from sandstone, a sedimentary rock. It is rich in the mineral quartz. It is a very hard rock and is weather resistant. It is used in glass and ceramic industries and also in making jewelry and ornaments. Children, what are minerals? List any three uses of minerals. Minerals are chemical substances with a fixed chemical composition that occur in nature. Uses of minerals. Minerals are used as building material. Several useful metals are extracted from minerals. Minerals are also used as gemstones. All rocks are made up of minerals. Minerals are of two types, metallic and non-metallic minerals. Magnetite and bauxite are examples of metallic minerals. Calcite, gypsum, mica and quartz are examples of non-metallic minerals. Some minerals such as iron, calcium and potassium are important for living organisms. Children, what are magnets? Differentiate between natural and man-made magnets. In general, substances that can attract iron are called magnets. Now, differentiate between natural and man-made magnets. Natural magnets are found in nature. Example, magnetite. Man-made magnets are made by man, generally from iron, nickel or cobalt. Children, what are fossil fuels? Yes, fuels that are formed from the decayed remains of plants and animals are called fossil fuels. Coal and petroleum are two important products obtained from rocks present deep within the earth. Coal is usually found in layers. It is formed from dead plant matter buried under great pressure over millions of years. Hence, it is known as a fossil fuel. Coal is extracted from the ground by coal mining. It is one of the most important fuels and is used for cooking, heating and producing electricity. Like coal, petroleum is also a fossil fuel, formed when large quantities of dead organisms are buried underneath sedimentary rocks and subjected to intense heat and pressure. It is a yellow to black liquid found beneath the earth's surface. It is commonly refined into various types of fuels such as petrol, diesel, kerosene and LPG. Children, let us learn the book exercises. First, Roman number 1, filling the blanks with correct words. First question, all rocks are made up of dash. Rocks are made up of minerals. The surface of the earth is called the crust. Dash is very hot and is formed by the slow cooling of lava, granite. Dash rocks are always formed in layers, sedimentary. Dash rocks are formed due to physical and chemical changes in existing rocks, metamorphic. Next, true or false? Pumice is the only rock that can float. True. Shale is often used to make kitchen counters and bathroom tiles. False. Gypsum and mica are metallic minerals. False. Bauxite is an ore that is rich in aluminium. True. Coal and petroleum are forms of sedimentary rocks. True. Next, choose the correct option. Which of these is not a layer of the earth? Nice. So, other three options are the layers of earth, core, crust and mantle. Now, which of these is an igneous rock that is smooth and glassy? Obsidian. Which of these leads to formation of metamorphic rocks? All of these. Physical changes, chemical changes and effects of heat and pressure on rocks. Which of these minerals are used to make building materials? Gypsum and calcite. Which of these materials can be used to make a magnet? Nickel. Which of these is commonly used for flooring? Marble. Which of these can be used to make a magnet? Iron and nickel. Which of these is not a gemstone? Gold. Next, match the following. Gneiss is a metamorphic rock. Mica, non-metallic mineral. Magnetite, metallic mineral. Conglomerate, sedimentary rock. Obsidian, igneous rock. Give two examples of the following. Minerals used as building materials. Gypsum, calcite. Ores, magnetite, bauxite. Precious metals. Gold, silver. Gemstones. Ruby, emerald. Fossil fuels. Coal, petroleum. Next, give one word for the following. Molten rock found inside the earth. Magma. Molten magma that flows out onto the surface of the earth. Lava. Rocks that are formed due to physical and chemical changes in older rocks. Metamorphic. Substances that make up rocks. Minerals. A substance that can attract iron. Magnet. Thank you children. Have a nice day.